Now, meteorologist Jamie Jarosik and your Storm Team 2 forecast.
We had some of that fog and freezing drizzle overnight, so there are going to be some slick spots out there this morning. We have a winter weather advisory in effect for the southern counties through 3 o'clock this afternoon. As some wintry precipitation spreads in, road conditions are going to deteriorate, and then that's slowly going to press northward. So our central counties have our winter weather advisory from 10 o'clock until 7 o'clock, and then the far north from 1 o'clock this afternoon until 1 o'clock in the morning. Ice accumulation from freezing rain will be up to 1/10 of an inch, and then we could have additional snow and sleet accumulation, should stay around an inch or less, but area-wide slick spots develop. So that's what we're thinking, especially as we head through lunchtime and into the early afternoon. Road surface temperatures are below freezing in a lot of spots: Bellefontaine, Urbana, Dayton, down through the Oxford area. So be aware that there still could be some icy patches out there. Our dog walking forecast: if you're heading out, the best time to go is now because it is fairly dry, but temperatures are below freezing. So again, watch for a slick spot or two on untreated sidewalks. By 10 o'clock, we'll start to see some wintry mix spread into the southern counties. That will lift north as we head through lunchtime. 31 still below freezing at noon. 2 o'clock right at the freezing mark, so still some freezing rain occurring, but then we're going to see that change over to rain for the later afternoon hours, at least in the Dayton area and Point South. We'll be near 35 with just going to be a cold rain at 4 o'clock, and the northern counties will still be dealing with wintry mix. It'll be a little bit colder up that way. Satellite radar loop shows lots of clouds out there. There's the leading edge of that precipitation. As the moisture has encountered the colder air, we've seen developing on the north edge of this that snow and sleet and freezing rain mix. That is all going to be lifting in over the next couple of hours. So road conditions have been fine this morning. We've had an isolated slick spot or two from that overnight freezing drizzle. At lunchtime, we're expecting to see icy conditions develop, even those treated roads getting icy and slushy. And then in the evening, our southern counties look to be just wet with the changeover to rain, but across the northern counties, we'll still have some freezing rain, so still some slick travel. Here's a check of future track, timing everything out. 10 o'clock this morning, we start to see that wintry mix spread into the southern counties. Around lunchtime, central counties seeing some snow. Just south of that, we get the band where we have sleet and freezing rain, and then we start to see rain spreading into the southern half of the Miami Valley through 3 o'clock. That's how it'll be for the drive home at 5. Northern counties with the mix, southern counties with just rain, and this will continue overnight. Still some freezing rain for the far north. Everything becomes a little more spotty. Those rain showers will continue, and they'll gradually decrease in coverage through tomorrow morning, but we'll still have the chance of a few passing rain showers tomorrow afternoon. Late in the day, some snow may mix in across the far north. Here's your forecast today. We're going to see highs reach 36. A wintry mix will change to rain across the south, but stay a wintry mix for the northern counties. Travel will be slick at times today. Rain south, freezing rain north tonight. Temperatures hold steady in the mid-30s, and then tomorrow warm enough for rain showers area wide, but they'll be hit and miss, so a lot of dry time in between, and some snow will mix in late in the day. We'll still have the chance for a few snow showers Wednesday. Thursday, Friday, we're back to sunshine, but it's going to be cold. And then over the weekend, our next system will bring rain or snow Saturday, changing to rain Sunday.